Good day, my friend. On this video we will continue the maintenance of that Massey Fergusson 35, and today we will change the gear shift boots. Here they are, and as you can see, mine are pretty much toast because they just basically come off by themselves. Okay, so we're gonna replace those, but first we'll have to remove the knob that's here. So it's pretty easy. We just unscrew it. It should come with a lot of ease, no problem. And when it's off, then we can remove the boots. Okay, now will be the time to clean all this. To clean all this, I will remove the biggest part with a flat screwdriver, and then I will end up with a cloth or kitchen paper, stuff like that. We'll try to have it as clean as possible. This is it. It's now all clean. I've got now my new rubbers. I will give you the part number if you need to buy some. And what I will do, what I've cleaned, I'll place quite a bit of grease on it, but I will place grease as well inside. Okay, I won't fill it up obviously because I need to place the gear lever inside, but I will place it all around, and when we'll fit it, and this will be squashed a little bit, then it will be just perfect. Grease is now in place everywhere. Let's place it in its position. That's it, job is done. All you have to do now is to replace the knob on it, and that's it. Now if you want to know how to replace the diesel fuel pump on this tractor, you can see that video. If not, watch my channel and you will see quite a few videos about that tractor and other forestry stuff like chainsaw, brush cutters, stuff like that. Okay, until then, take care.